Imagine if you could take one long video like a full podcast or behind-the-scenes shoot, and in just a few clicks turn it into a stack of ready-to-post short clips that actually get views. That level of efficiency would save you endless hours of manual editing, right? Well, that is exactly what I want to show you today, because there is this tool I have been using called Vizard that basically does all of that heavy lifting for you. Alright, so here is the deal. I am on the Vizard dashboard right now, and honestly it feels like someone finally built the ultimate make my content work for me button. The first thing we do is upload a raw long-form video, which could be a 60-minute live stream, a recorded webinar, or even a full-length YouTube vlog. For this demo, just imagine I run a small bakery and I recorded a long tutorial about decorating Easter cupcakes, plus some Q&A at the end of the session. Instead of me combing through that massive hour-long file looking for the best highlights, Vizard automatically finds them for me. You simply pick your video, hit upload, and the platform starts analyzing the footage immediately. It looks for the moments that actually pop, such as laughs, high-energy bits, quick tips, or important call-outs. It also detects places where the audio spikes or where the audience reacts, so your clips are not just random cuts. They are the parts with the most life. Within a minute or two, you will get a list of suggested clips, each with a recommended start and end time, a thumbnail preview, and even a suggested headline. I absolutely love that it doesn't just spit out boring timestamps. Each clip comes with basic edits already applied, like jump cuts to remove silences, smart zooms if someone steps closer to the camera, and auto-generated captions. You can jump into any clip, tweak the text, change the crop for TikTok or Reels, swap the thumbnail, or add a quick intro card. It is all live, so you click the clip, edit the caption box, and the preview updates instantly. So for my cupcake video, it pulled out a 40-second moment where I reveal a pro frosting trick, a 25-second snippet with a funny kitchen fail, and a 15-second clip that is basically a perfect quick tip. Now, a lot of people ask me, how is this different from the usual editing tools I have used in the past? Traditional editors require you to scrub through your timeline and manually mark clips one by one. Some services do automated trimming but leave you with generic cuts and zero context for your audience. Vizard is built around the idea of viral first editing, meaning it not only finds moments but ranks them by engagement potential and formats them for the specific platform you care about. Want vertical video for TikTok? It crops and resizes everything intelligently for you. Need 9x16 and 1x1 versions? It can batch create them with ease. Also, while other apps charge per export or hide useful features behind expensive tiers, Vizard's approach is focused on scaling a creator's output without turning everyday uploads into a second job. Okay, so we have chosen the clips we like. The next thing, which I think is a total game changer, is the auto schedule feature. Instead of downloading every clip and manually uploading on 6 different platforms on different days, you simply set your posting frequency and Vizard does the rest. Choose your posting cadence, say 3 clips per week. Pick the platforms, set the best time windows, and Vizard will populate your queue automatically. It also understands platform nuances, like knowing that Instagram needs specific caption lengths and hashtags. For YouTube Shorts, it will recommend titles and timestamps that actually help with your search engine optimization. For TikTok, it will nudge you toward trends and sounds that fit the clip perfectly. But you are never locked in, because if you want to edit a caption or swap the sound, you absolutely can. I usually let Vizard schedule things automatically. Then I do a quick pass to sprinkle in a personal note or a trending tag. Now let's talk about the content calendar, because if you are trying to post consistently, nothing beats seeing everything laid out in one place. Vizard's calendar shows every clip, schedule, date, and platform in one single organized view. You can drag and drop clips to different days, bulk edit captions, or pause a post with a single click. For my bakery, I can plan an entire week of content, baking tips on Monday, product highlights on Wednesday, and a behind-the-scenes clip on Friday, all without opening 5 different apps. One subtle thing I really appreciate is how Vizard makes repurposing long-form content feel completely natural. For example, that same Easter cupcake tutorial can become a 45-second frosting hack, a 30-second ingredients list clip, and a 20-second funny blooper. Each version is tailored for the platform's length and style, so you don't have to rebuild the wheel every single time. I want to be honest though, there are other tools out there that promise automation, and some are great for what they do. Tools that generate full videos from templates are awesome if you want polished intros or brand animations. But they usually don't focus on clipping long-form content or on the entire scheduling lifecycle like Vizard does. Others might be cheaper, but they force you into rigid templates or require manual uploads to each individual platform. In contrast, Vizard's sweet spot is turning one long recording into dozens of platform-ready clips and handling the posting flow end-to-end. That specific difference is why it feels less like just another app and more like having an assistant who actually knows what works. Back in the editor, there are a couple neat touches worth calling out. Captions are fully customizable and auto-timed, and the engine can even detect and remove filler words or long pauses so your clips feel punchier. There is also an audience hook indicator that flags clips that start with a strong hook, because if you don't grab attention in the first 2 seconds, you will lose viewers. You can add your logo and brand colors, which keeps everything looking consistent without spending hours in motion design apps. After you polish your clips and set the schedule, Vizard queues everything up. You can preview how your week looks in the calendar, see which clips are set to which platforms, and even simulate the feed to check thumbnails and captions. When the posts go live, analytics start coming in, including views, likes, and retention metrics, so you can see which moments are truly resonating. Over time, Vizard learns which types of clips do best for you and uses that data to suggest better highlights in future uploads. For people who worry about losing control, you have still got it. Vizard suggests, but you decide. So if you want to keep a clip private until you get approval, you just lock it. Want to modify the edit for a special promo? It is easy to do. The scheduling is fully editable, and the calendar makes it obvious when something is about to post. Let's wrap this up like we started, with a quick example. Say I host a 90-minute live stream where I teach cupcake decorating and answer follower questions. Instead of spending the next 3 days editing and posting, I upload the video to Vizard. It surfaces 12 high-potential clips, like quick tips, a surprising decorating hack, and a funny blooper. I tweak a headline here, change a thumbnail there, set the posting frequency to twice a week, and 3 weeks of content is ready without me lifting a finger again. Then I check the analytics and see which clip got the most engagement, and Vizard uses that insight to prioritize similar moments on the next upload. Rinse and repeat. It really is that simple. So yeah, if you are trying to build a steady social presence without turning into a full-time editor, tools like this change the game entirely. It isn't about automating everything. The best part is how it frees you up to do the creative stuff you actually enjoy while handling the repetitive posting and repurposing. Give it a spin with one of your longer videos and see how many gems Vizard finds for you. If nothing else, it will save you so much time. And if you care about growing, consistent, platform-optimized content actually moves the needle. Alright, that is it for today. If you try it, drop a comment and tell me how it went, especially if it finds a clip you didn't even realize was gold. Happy creating, and I will catch you in the next one.